Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach, tatlong sunod-sunod na panalo, hindi naging madali itong mga panalo na ito. Pero ano yung pinakamalaking factor or impact dito sa mga panalo na ito na you wish or you wanna see in Game 5 as you try to close out the series and win the championship?
I think the biggest impact is our first game. It fuels our grit. And then you can see naman from the player na talagang on their eyes, makikita mo yung fire. They want to win. And we have a bad start at the first quarter, but the bench step up a lot, and then they provided a lot of energy that very infectious to their teammate. And then we're able to tie the game and get the lead. And from there, so yung energy and intensity namin, naging aggressive sila. And then nakita nila na the chance is still there, although a very slow start. So yun ang sinasabi ko sa kanila before, the killer instinct. When it comes to end game, so you should not give up. And then that's what happened. And then we keep on reacting on what they are trying to do against us. There are so many combinations na ginawa sila, but the players reminded by the coaching staff na what to do. And that's what happened. And if you notice, this is the first time we shoot a lot from the 3 points area. I think 13 out of 24. And never na nagiging double figures yun. I think that's one of the key. Although we're out-rebounded and turnover points, mataas pa rin yung sa kanila, but second chance points. But I think the players don't want to lose the game.
Thank you, Coach. Now, Jericho, nabanggit na ni Coach Leo about that Game 1 loss. To you personally, how did that light the fire in you? Because every time you come inside the court, iba rin talaga yung the way you play.
Yun nga, una-una, sayang yung pagkatalo namin nun eh. Kasi akala namin na we have a chance to win the game. Ayun nga lang, natulan ng minus ng points namin, natalo kami. Pero tapos na yun eh, move on na kami doon. Katulad ng mga sinasabi nila coach, nila Boss Al, pagpasok namin, paglaro namin, talagang put that in your head na every game parang it's your last game. Kaya ako, specifically sinasabihan ako ni Boss Al na laro mo lang yung laro mo. Hayaan mo na yung mga taong nagsasabi na ganito, ganyan ka. Kasi ganyan ka maglaro eh. Let it be. Laro mo yung laro mo. Yun lang yung sinabi sa akin. Parang ganun yung sinasabi sa akin ni Coach Leo din.